The analysis of 29 September paper. Now, more or less, we have seen that there were kind of similar questions that were coming across all the papers, and you have lot of rumors regarding papers were simple, papers were difficult. But I recommend that you go only by the 10 units that you have and cover those units thoroughly. Now, let's talk about first of all the mathematical section. So, this time there was questions on average speed and compound interest. In the previous questions, we had seen questions related to pipes and cisterns. We had seen questions related to simple interest, profit loss, and income expenditure. So those are the kind of questions that usually come up for mathematical reasoning. You would have one question which would talk about the number series completion, one question which was related to age related problems that need to be solved. Coming on to teaching aptitude, first of all you had a question on purpose of teaching. So let's cover teaching aptitude and higher education together. Then there were name of two of the foreigners, and it was asked from which of the places that they arrived at Takshila. So previously we had seen questions on Nalanda, and this time it was Takshila. The reason being, both of those have been mentioned in the new education policy, and that we had already discussed before. The next important questions that related to education was the changes in the UGC Act and the clause of deemed university. So those were the kind of questions for higher education. For teaching, we also had the questions related to the approaches of teaching. We also had in the communication section, we had questions related to horizontal and vertical communication. Then there were questions related to the deductive and the inductive approach. The inductive approach, we had already discussed a good mnemonic to remember, that is ISG, from specific to general. Each of the papers had a question from either Millennium Development Goal or Sustainable Development Goal. So a very must topic to prepare for. Now coming on to the section on logic. Logic, there were questions related to Upanishads. There were questions related to Jainism this time. The previous set had questions related to Buddhism. Then you had the six pramanas that you must need to cover. Also there were questions which were related to the basics and the fundamental of Indian logic and Hetvabhas. So those are the kind of topics that you cover. Syllogism, square of opposition, as we said, every time at least one question. Research and aptitude, research aptitude this time was very applicative. So you would have, let's say, a case study or an example given, and you would be asked which kind of research is it. So those kind of questions can be solved only if you are solving the past papers and model questions carefully. It won't come with direct just reading of a concept and just finishing it off. The more you practice, the more skill you develop for answering those questions. Coming on to the computing section. Under the computers, you had a question. This time, interestingly, there were no questions on full forms. The acronyms were not asked. However, there were questions related to year of establishment. So it was asked in which year DTH service was established. Also, you had one of the questions regarding to educational technology, that was regarding Gyan Darshan. So again important. Then what is known as the brain of computer. The questions related to internet speed, 4G, 3G, 5G becomes an important topic for your upcoming class or upcoming examinations as well. Then you were asked questions related to memory levels. So those were the kind of fundamental questions coming from computing section. As we have seen, always there are questions related to contemporary knowledge from education, uh, environment and computing section. So this time there were questions related to photochemical smog. There were also questions which talked about the changes with the Kyoto Protocol and the Paris Agreement. So those were the questions which related to environment. Now the kind of questions that come up give you just a broad idea about the topics that you have to refer, but don't go by what has already come or what could be probably next. The idea soul is to cover the topics extensively, and if you are covering those topics extensively, then there is no reason why you won't score good. I have been always telling students, some of the students have done exceptionally well with paper 1, scoring more than 45 questions correct, and with the average score in paper 2, they were able to qualify for JRF as well. So make sure you are working with your optional as well as your paper 1 with equal importance. Give a time of 1:2. If you are giving 2 hours to paper 1, at least give 4 hours to your paper 2 or optional, and that should be your strategy. Keep in touch with the latest current affairs, specifically in the field of education, I repeat, and environment. Those are very, very important. And definitely, we have a series of upcoming classes for you which deal with Indian logic, Western logic, which deal with syllogism, the elements of syllogism, and many more. So stay tuned, stay subscribed for further updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.